Or you know naman who's really the founder, who's really the owner. Don't change the history, right? Okay. Actually, I can say, if I may, something, no, some history about my Lolo's company. Okay, maybe most of you don't know why it's named Green Cross Alcohol. It's named Green Cross because my grandfather studied in LaSalle. That's why it's green. Yes. Yeah, maraming hindi nakakaalam yan. Now, I hope nalaman na. Why? Why cross? Okay? My grandfather worked in a Chinese company in Binondo. His name is Manila Commercial Center or Company. Okay? That company imported products from America, from the Rabin company. They're importing the Grey Cross alcohol. Okay, Grey Cross alcohol. So my lolos work there. Okay, from Botiguero, Cocinero, Botiguero, Rams, Patasa, up to salesman. Naging ahente siya ng alcohol, ng Grey Cross alcohol. Okay? So, you may think, why a Chinese guy from China come here? Bakit mag-alcohol? Usually, or mostly, they will go to hardware, if not sari-sari store. Ito po yung experience niya. Okay? Ito, pag ganyan eh, you don't play fair. You have money lang to pay those judges. I'm telling you. Kung sino may pera, he can pay. Right? In this country. Yes.
Did the heirs at one time ask, let's all sit down.
Yes. Did they try to settle with
They
you?
will not settle. Even,
Okay. How much do you want? How much do you
no,
want?
it's not,
You have so much.
honestly, for me, for your information, I am not after the money. I am after the legacy of my grandfather Gonzalo Coit. The legacy. You check.
But it seems
No, Susan, right now you check the Green Cross Inc. Sino yung founder dyan? Sino yung founder dyan? Hindi totoo yan.
They changed the founder's name?
Yes.
Oh.
That's
Ah,
why
the history
it hurts
did change.
me a lot. Why? I grew up with my grandparents.
So it is not patented. The
Patented.
brand under whose name?
No. But when the Green Cross, it's like here, I have some documents here. The GL. It was under my grandfather. 1968 or 69 here. Single proprietor pa lang po ito. Okay? Hindi pa ito corporation. You know why? Nagkagulo-gulo.
But the patent is under whose name?
Now, it's Green Cross Inc. But before, it started with Gonzalo Laboratory.
O how come naging Green Cross Inc.?
Because
Because
of
that changed the patent,
series
right?
of
Patent,
you know,
right?
yeah, but what I mean to say, what I know also, di ba, na
Unless they pay
everything
the patent,
started,
unless they pay the patent company.
before it's patented, you know, before in the Philippines, that's what we call patent office or something. Right now, it's IPO na. You know, all the, honestly, I don't want to say this, you know, actually, I'm not in position to say this, no, this about the legal, about the cases, no, di ba?
There's still pending case kasi na.
Yes, no, okay, I'm not in the position, okay, as I've said, but
So you can disclose whose name under na yun ang founder ng Green Cross.
you can check it out. They're claiming that it's my great-grandfather who founded the company.
They take your great
But
grandfather.
actually, as you see a while ago, Mr. Josiah Go, the marketing guru, I think everyone knows him. Everyone respected him, right? He will not, hindi naman igagampo niya yung pangalan niya.
But yung timeline, mache-check naman
Yes,
eh.
oo, but-
If your great-grandfather or your...
Yes.
What is your message, Mr. Tola?
Yes,
Summary of your
summary
message.
lang, okay. What I mean to say, I want my lolo to have a justice. Okay?
Are you hopeful? Are you hopeful?
Of course.
Very bad.
Yes. If you want to change, you change. Okay? Better now than never. You change so you can have, peace of mind. Pag kung mamatay tayo, hindi naman natin madadala ang mga pera.
Dennis, who has the full control?
Right now, it's my grandfather's siblings.
How many of them took over?
I think, yeah, example, this one, Mr. Josiah Akin, Mr.
But
Josiah
can they follow the advice of Professor Eric Soriano to sit down with you, or they refuse to sit down with you anymore?
Anytime,
Are they
anywhere.
willing?
No. I mean, of course, they will not. Because why? Ever since my grandfather's case like this, what's happening, they don't want to listen. It's so ungrateful. Honestly, it's so ungrateful. My lolo, founded it, established it, and then binago lang.
When was the last time you met the other side, your side?
I mean, I'm not
5
really
years,
close.
10 years?
More, yeah, something like that.
Thank you. Any last message before
For me.
Professor Yano, Professor?
Yeah, okay. Yung last message,
Lessons learned.
lessons learned.
How people can avoid what experienced by your family.
yeah,
How could people avoid to become like your grandfather? People in family businesses.
First, you should really have first you have to gather all the documents, especially not Xerox, the original documents. If you're the founder, right? You have to have the original. You have to keep it. Everything should, you have to sign everything. You have to keep everything. You have to have photos also. Good thing my grandfather has photos, as you can see a while ago. Okay.
How big is Green Cross now per year, the sales?
I'm not really familiar, but I think as of this, the writing of this book, of course, billions, no? I think that was more than 20 plus billions. Might be right now
Plus
is,
billion a year.
if I'm not mistaken, 30 to 40 billions or more.
A year.
More
Yeah.
so during the pandemic.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And then not only Green Cross, my lolo
Zonrox.
established it, no? Even Zonrox. These two brands. My lolo founded it. Green Cross founded on, to be exact, June 16, 1952. Okay? Zonrox founded 2 years after, 1954. Supposedly, it should be Gonrox and not Zonrox.
So lesson for everyone. Lesson for
Lesson
summary.
Yeah, so, okay, lesson for everyone. No, we have to document everything.
Yes.
Especially the original documents, no, you have to keep it. Okay, sign, talaga, you have to check those, mga signatories, no. Tsaka please, I can say also, do not sign any blank bond paper or blank.
Did your grandfather sign blank papers?
No.
Wow.
I'm not sure because
Your grandfather signed ba?
uh,
Very common people sign.
No,
Grabe.
never.
Times, so.
I am stating.
Never sign.
Do not, kasi honestly, I come here,
Horrible.
not this time because of my lolo only. I
You want to
want
warn others.
yes, I want to warn, especially the second generation or those who wants to have a family enterprise or company. To avoid.
Or in business partnerships also.
Yes, oo. Dapat talaga lahat, you have to document it. And then, especially if you're the founder, you have to keep all the originals. Do not keep those Xerox lang or something. Right?
Wow.
Tama ba, mali? You have to keep originals para you have the upper hand. If not, you have the founder, then you keep the Xerox or something, no? Tsaka it better, notarize it and certified.
So in summary, do not be too trusting.
Yes, only, honestly, it really hurts me. You know what, honest, I know with time constraint, no?
Yes.
My lolo, saka ako, we stayed in one room, shared in one room, more than 12.
Your roommates, yes. So he was telling you all the stories. Are you the eldest grandson?
Yes. I'm
Eldest
the-
grandson?
Yes.
Wow.
Actually, I'm a grandparent's boy.
Grandfather's boy.
Unfortunately, my grandmother passed away
Yes.
at a very early age. No? At, 10 years old ako, namatay siya. That's why I became closer to my grandfather. If not, maybe if I'm still closer to my grandmother. Kasi my grandfather is very, religious eh. Grabe. He can be a saint.
I have a question.
Yes.
How come the assets, everything,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
business was passed on or
The siblings.
went to the siblings of your grandfather, not to the heirs, direct heirs of your grandfather, and after the parents,
How did
ayun
they-
na. How come it went sideways?
Yeah.
Short story.
Ang masabi,
Aside.
ang masabi ko kasi dyan yung implied trust eh. Because
Implied
his
trust.
third brother, to be specific, Joseph Ko, as my grandfather, you have to make the company corporation. Kasi
From single proprietorship, they transferred the corporation to a corporation. Yes, keep on signing. Keep on signing the documents.
Professor and Mr. Flores, no?
Yes, yes.
1952, wala naging problema until 1971 eh. Yung
Naging corporation.
If you can check in the government, I don't know what to call that, sa mga SEC ba tawag dyan or something, no? Kung single proprietor pa that time, hindi pa SEC eh. Di ba? You can check 1952, June 16, 1952 until 1971, August something. And particularly August 1971. Wala naging problema yan. Once yung naging change na to corporation, dyan nagka-start.
Kasi informal family arrangement, corporation.
I know, kasi siyempre, hindi pa ako pinahanap yan. That time,
You were not yet around. If you were there, you would have advised them.
Yes, of course.
You were still young.
At saka may lolo kasi tour trusting eh.
Yes, yes.
So, kasi if you know, I think you know my lolo.
Yes.
Mr. Flores,
I was fortunate to have met him in the book launching and attending the book launching. Alam mo, Professor was the founder of National Bookstore, was the founder of Cardinal. They attended.
may laws isa.
They expressed solidarity with the co-founder.
No, please after. No, after.
So lesson, do not be too trusting.
This Lolo is also a very active
Yeah.
supporter of Pasay Fire
Yes.
Volunteers.
Talaga?
Yeah, this one, no?
So your grandfather was a philanthropist also, a good
A few
guy.
times kasama ko siya eh. Sa Leverisa.
Tama.
Tama, no? There is a corner. There's a fire brigade something. A few times I went with him. No? This one naman, Mr. Mariano, okay. One of my grandfather's first customers.
Yes.
One of the first. That's why we're very close. Eh.
To Mercury, yes.
Yeah, he sold to me. He met
Kaya
my
yung
daughter.
kaaway
SM.
ng father ni Hans.
Oh, yeah, SM.
So, any final message again to the public? Any other message you want to impart? Lesson. So, do not be too trusting, be careful.
Yeah.
Any parting message before the professor will have a closing statement?
My lolo always ask me and tell me to pray.
So be prayerful,
Prayerful. That's the most powerful.
no matter what happens.
No matter what happens now. And also,
Yes.
before I forget, I will always remember, my lolo always tell me,
Yes.
you have to protect your name. Your
Ah.
name is your brand name. Right? Why? Once na sira yung pangalan, no one will trust you.
So that's the reason why up to now you're still fighting for his name.
Yes, and for me naman, in my part, I don't want to gagawin ng kalokohan. Why?
Yes.
If I did something wrong, if I did something foolish, hindi ako magiging mamahal sa akin eh. Sino ba nagpalaki sa'yo?
But
Of
but not
Camelo,
applicable
diba?
to Marcos.
But what I mean to say again, my lolo always tell me, you pray, that always in the tawag sa pray, and the name. Your name is your brand name. Huwag mo sirain. Once na sira yan, mahirap na ayusin or something. Ibangon mo something like that.
So your name is your priceless
Yes, yes. Especially if you're rich or you're the other or you poor, brand name, your name is very important. Again,
Thank
brand
you.
name is your brand name.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis.
Okay.